Hi guys, good morning. How you all doing? So I recently started my YouTube channel, and I would like you guys to support me. Support me by liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I promise that this YouTube page is going to be all encompassing and very the videos will be very clear, as in you understand them very well when I make them. Thank you so much. So what we're going to be doing in this first episode is I will show you how to use the basic parts of an electronic machine and how to use an electronic machine. Thank you. Hey guys, so this is my electronic machine. It's a Brother Compal Ace. So to use it, you have to plug it into electricity, like its name, it's an electric machine. So let me plug it and show you all the parts of the machine. Thank you. So my machine is now plugged in. It's plugged in already. You can see the cord is already plugged in. So to switch on my machine, though it might vary for different machines, I don't get, but then if you are using an electronic machine, there are some similarities between them. So this is the power button. You see that immediately I switch it on, there's a red light showing air. Then all those things, all these mark you can see here, those are for the different stitches that my machine can do. Though there are some that you have to change the foot, you have to change the foot of the machine. So now those three buttons you see in here, these ones, they are for speed. If you want it to be slow, like extremely slow, you press this. Let me start. If you want it to be extremely slow, you press this. If you want it to be like a little bit fast, you press this. Then if you want to be very fast, you press this. Now let me get a cloth and try to show you how to do it. So now I have my clothes at the tip of my machine. So let me show you. So after pressing this button, now let's start with the slow one. After pressing, then you have to press this. You see that my machine is just moving slowly, it's just moving slowly. But then if I want it to be faster, like I said, you press this. You see the movement now. You see that it's faster. Then also, if I want it to be like very fast, you press this button. You see that it's very fast. So that's basically it. Then also my machine has this light. Like if you want to sew at night and there's no light, and probably the bulb is not reaching where you're sewing, that's this bulb that you have to press at the side. You press it like this to switch it off, like this to switch it on. So that's basically it. Then to pass the thread, because even when I got this machine, I had a lot of issues before I could know how to pass the thread. So you just pass it, basically you pass it from here to this place, from here, or you can put it here, anywhere is fine. That's where the thread will sit on. Then thereafter you pass it through this hole. I don't know if you guys can see this hole here. You pass it there. Then thereafter you pass it through this place. After that, you just have to bring it. You bring it here. Let me try to show you guys very well how to do it. Okay, so we are ready. This is it. My thread is already sitting down there. The next thing I'll do is I'll bring it here to this hole, like I told you. It's there already. You bring it to this one too, this place. You wrap it around, you see. Then thereafter, you bring it to this. There's this small hole in between. Then you bring it there. Thereafter, you just have to bring it down and bring it up back. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing like that. So this is it. Then after that, you just have to put it at the tip inside your needle. That's basically it. Then also the next thing, if you want to change, like I told you, we have different stitches. But if you want to change from one stitch to the other, you just have to press this button. You see this button. Just press this button. It will automatically adjust itself to the how do I say, to the thread length you need, the thread measurement. You don't have to be changing it. Okay, this 3 is for this stitch, this 3 is for this. You don't have to be changing. It's automatically going to do that itself. So this is it. This is it. You do it. This is it. You do it. This is it. You do it. This is it. This is it. So then also this place, this one is for when you want to reel thread. So that's it. When you want to really thread, you just have to put your, okay. So you just have to put your ribbon, your ruler. Just have to put it like this. Adjust it very well. See, it's adjusted. Then you push it like this. But then you have to put your thread. The thread will already be inside. You just put a little bit of thread, like you put it. You put your thread from the. You just put your thread. You put your thread to the ruler. Then after that, you just press. You put after you've already pushed it to the other side. You pressed. You press the something, and it will automatically start reeling. Yes, it will automatically just start reeling. Then thereafter, before you can remove it, you just have to bring it back. After that, then you now remove your ruler. So this is where my ruler, this is where it goes into. This is it. So when you want to fix it, this tip here, this tip here, it has to fit in with this other side. So if you're fixing it correctly, when you are done, you hear it, you are going to hear a sound like bump. You're gonna hear a sound. I don't know. Let me see if you guys can see well. I don't know if you guys can hear that sound. Immediately I kept it in, the sound was like boom. So that's it. Then you just have to bring your thread and off. Then for my machine, when you want to reverse on my machine, you press it down, down, like down, very well. For normal sewing is like this, but for reverse, you press it down a bit. So that's it. That's basically how to use the machine. I don't know if you guys want me to do anything, like any machine you don't understand, an electric one, and you want me to push you, you want me to help you go through how to use it, then I don't know. You guys can reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching my first video. Please subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Bye.